The first rule about clay is to keep it next to a windowsill so it stays always activated. Green clay is known as the clay that heals. Use a plastic spoon when you're making your preparation. Even as I prep, I make it very, very thick. But the game changer is to apply 2 drops, and I mean 2 drops of oil on your skin before you put on your clay. Because I have mixed skin, I'm gonna put 2 different color clays. Green clay for the top, where my skin is more oily, and white kaolin clay for the bottom. I use the back of the spoon because I found that that's what's best to help me get that very thick coat that we need on there. This is actually one of those times when it comes to masking where you literally do not have time to dilly-dally, rest, go read a book, because you do not want it to ever dry onto your skin, because that's when it starts to do the adverse and it starts to take moisture out of your skin. So remember, thick coat. I use rose water because it helps to give me that extra freshness that I'm looking for. And here's the green clay part. Now, remember, I have those 2 drops of oil on my skin. The white clay is gonna go at the bottom. And this one, I make white clay for the bottom. When you're ready to remove, make sure you use Kleenex to wipe it off because you don't want to clog your sink. Now I'm gonna go rinse outside. Use the green clay once or twice a week at the most, but if you've got serious acne, you can do spot treatments. So just put it where the problem area is. This is how you're able to take care of the oily and the dry side of your skin.